Welcome to our channel. If you just got an Amazon Echo Pop and want to set it up to control your smart home, play music, and use Alexa, follow these step-by-step instructions to get started. Step 1. Unbox your Echo Pop and plug it into a power outlet using the included adapter. Step 2. Wait for the light ring on the Echo Pop to turn blue, then orange, indicating it is in setup mode. Step 3. Download the Amazon Alexa app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store and open it on your smartphone. Step 4. Log into your Amazon account in the Alexa app. Step 5. Tap Devices at the bottom of the screen, then tap the plus icon in the top right corner to add a new device. Step 6. Select Amazon Echo and then choose Echo Pop from the list of devices. Step 7. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect your Echo Pop to your Wi-Fi network. Select your network and enter the password. Step 8. Once connected, your Echo Pop is ready to use. Try saying, "Alexa, what can you do?" to explore its features and capabilities. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.